Things we did and things we said are memories that have yet to be forgotten. Things we haven't done, things we meant to say are part of our ongoing problem. We only think of a solution when time's up. It's too late, is always the result. Now we're stuck with regret, thinking about what could have been, what should have been, but what isn't. Wishing we could just have a repeat or second chance. Maybe then we would have took a better glance and our relationship would have had a better stance. Stop the crash and prevent an accident, because maybe you and I were truly meant. But words like that only exist in fairy tales. But I could have sworn what you and I had was real. But seeing as you're nowhere to be found, I guess I know the deal. Who would have thought we would have came to an end? Cause I swear my feelings would never pretend. Of course you said we'd always be friends, but when it comes to a broken heart, that never helps it mend. It doesn't ease the pain or make it hurt less. Cause at the end of the day, I still had the thought that when I was with you, I felt blessed. Now I have to walk around knowing that something's missing. Knowing that when you move on, I won't be the person you're kissing. But I ask you, what's love without forgiveness? And if I can get a witness, who cares which one of us fucked up? If we love each other, then let's not be stuck up. Or rather, I say let's not be stuck in our ways, because at the end of the day, you're still my babe. We promised to stay together, we promised to always be there. In this relationship, we both made sacrifices to be here. To throw that all away seems like time wasted. If you need help, take my heart and I'll help you trace it. Help you see what I see, maybe then you'll believe. Overcoming our problems makes us stronger, and our differences brings us closer.